Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need to start by accepting one fact. YouTube does not sell a legitimate lifetime premium plan, so instead, you'll target long-term legal routes. First, check your account region and student eligibility because discounts vary by country. Next, decide if a family plan or recurring personal plan fits your household. Finally, prepare a primary payment method and one backup card. Once ready, you'll move into concrete account setup and leveraging promos to extend cost-effectively. Now you set up the plan. If eligible, enroll in student or choose family manager and invite up to 5 members to lower per-person cost. Buy Google Play or YouTube gift cards during sales and add balance to prepay multiple months. This effectively locks in service time. Check official promotional trials and limited-time offers from Google. Apply them immediately. Make sure to document purchase receipts and apply payment methods that support recurring charges to avoid service interruption. Finish by locking your access strategy in place. Turn on auto-renew or maintain a loaded Google balance with gift cards so you prepay several months at a time. This gives you long, uninterrupted access without a mythical lifetime purchase. Keep clear receipts and a simple spreadsheet of renewal dates. If something goes wrong, like a charge decline or account issue, don't panic. Gather transaction ID and receipts, then contact Google support promptly. Make sure family members know who manages the plan to avoid confusion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.